Hello students. Till now we had studied various properties of materials. First, luster. Second, texture. Third, states of matter. Fourth, solubility. Fifth, magnetic property. Sixth, flotation. And today's seventh property, conductivity. So in this module, we will learn about conductors and insulators of heat and electricity. When you will boil water in copper utensil, then after some time it will start boiling, and if you will put your hand above the boiled water, then you will feel warmth. This warmth caused by heat released from hot water. So, what happens? The heat spread through the copper utensil, and when it will start spreading through copper utensils into water, we know that on heating, solid changes into liquid, liquid changes into gas. So here water is in liquid form. On heating, it will start changing into water vapor, and from the gas stove, the heat from the flame, heat transfer into copper utensils to water, and water changes into water vapor. So heat from the flame spread into copper utensils. In this way, we come to conclusion that heat can travel through solid. Now one more activity is there, that can heat travel through all materials. You will take water in a copper utensil, and then you will boil that water. After some time you will put four things inside it. First, plastic scale. Second, iron scale. Third, scissor. And fourth, pencil. After some time, when the water starts boiling, you will touch each of the material, and what do you will observe? The plastic scale become cold one, iron scale warm, scissor warm, and pencil cold. So we will divide into these into two categories, scissor and iron scale, which are hotter one, and pencil and plastic scale, which are colder one. So heat and this scissor and iron scale, they come under the category of conductor, and pencil and plastic scales come under the category of insulator. So here are two substances, conductors and insulators. Conductors are the materials that allows heat to pass through them, are called conductors of heat. Metals like copper, aluminum and silver are examples of conductor. So कंडक्टर वो सब्सटेंस है, वो मटेरियल है जो अपने अंदर से हीट को पास आउट होने देते हैं. इंसुलेटर, insulator are the materials that do not allow heat to pass through them. Example, rubber, wood and plastic. नेक्स्ट, कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. अब तक हमने पढ़ा है कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, materials which allow heat to pass through them, or materials which do not allow heat to pass through them, conductors and insulator of heat. Now here we will study about conductor and insulator of electricity. So based on the property of materials to pass electricity through them, they can be classified into two groups, conductors of electricity and insulator of electricity. So conductors are the materials that allow electricity to pass through them. Example, copper and iron. Materials that do not allow electricity to pass through them, they are called insulators of electricity. Example, wood and plastic. Now I will give one more example related to our daily life. इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेस, जैसे हमारे हो गए वायर, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ कॉपर, बिकॉज कॉपर इज अ गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो वायर हमने बनाए कॉपर से, क्योंकि कॉपर में से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होती है. लेकिन जो कॉपर की आउटर कवरिंग है, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ प्लास्टिक. वाई? बिकॉज प्लास्टिक इज एन इंसुलेटर. इट प्रिवेंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी and it prevent us from getting an electric shock. So in this module we had studied about conductor of heat, conductor of electricity, insulator of heat, insulator of electricity. So thank you.